Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another task of 100 days of AWS series by KodeKloud engineer. And in today's task, we need to use AWS KMS to encrypt our sensitive data.txt file. So AWS KMS key management system is a service that helps us to create and manage encryption keys that are used to protect sensitive data. So in this task, first we will create a symmetric key that is used for encryption and decryption, and then we will encrypt this sensitive data.txt file located in the root directory of AWS client, and then we will try to decrypt that same file, and we'll compare that both files. And we need to make sure that KMS key is correctly configured. The validation script will. So these are the task requirements. So for this, I'm using AWS CLI to solve this task, and I'll provide all the commands in my Git repo. So you can copy paste these commands from my repo. First, we need to create a symmetric key. For this, the command. So this is the command to create a symmetric key. Our symmetric key is created. Now we need to encrypt the provided sensitive data.txt file. For this, the command. Then after creation of symmetric key, we need to set alias. For this, the command is. This is the command to create alias. And we need this key ID further for encryption. Now we need to encrypt our sensitive data.txt base 64. This is the command. After that, we'll try to decrypt the same file and verify the decrypted data matches the original file. Our file is decrypted, both files. And now let's try to run a message. Let's verify our task.